Did you know that what you eat can significantly affect your cholesterol levels? It's true. The food on your plate plays a vital role in managing your cholesterol levels. Understanding the difference between LDL and HDL cholesterol is key. LDL, often referred to as bad cholesterol, can build up in your arteries, leading to heart disease. On the other hand, HDL, or good cholesterol, helps remove LDL cholesterol from your bloodstream, thus protecting your heart. By consuming a diet rich in specific nutrients and foods, you can help lower your LDL cholesterol and increase your HDL cholesterol. This doesn't mean you have to sacrifice taste for health. There's a vast array of delicious, nutrient-packed foods out there that can help you manage your cholesterol levels. So let's get our forks ready and our appetites whetted. To help manage your cholesterol, let's delve into a list of foods that can help lower it. Our journey begins in the deep blue sea with fatty fish. Imagine feasting on a juicy piece of salmon or a hearty tuna steak. Not only are these meals delicious, but they are also nutritional powerhouses. These fatty fish, along with mackerel, sardines, and herring, are swimming with omega-3 fatty acids. And why do we love omega-3s? Well, these special fats have a knack for decreasing LDL, that's the bad cholesterol, and increasing HDL, the good cholesterol. So with every bite of these fish, you're giving your body a cholesterol balancing boost. And the best part, you don't have to eat them every day to reap the benefits. Aiming for 2 to 3 servings per week is enough to make a difference. So whether you're a fan of sushi, love a good fish fry, or simply enjoy a grilled piece of fish, there are plenty of ways to include these omega-3 powerhouses in your weekly menu. Moving on to the land, we find a wealth of fiber-rich foods that can help block cholesterol absorption. Let's start with the humble oat. This breakfast staple is packed with soluble fiber, a type of fiber that can help block the absorption of cholesterol right from your gut. So, next time you're thinking about breakfast, why not consider a warm, hearty bowl of oatmeal? Or perhaps using oat flour in your baking for a fiber-rich twist. Next, we have beans and lentils. These high-fiber legumes are champions when it comes to lowering LDL cholesterol, often referred to as the bad cholesterol. Plus, they're a wonderful source of protein and plant-based nutrients. So aim to include beans and lentils in your meals 3 to 4 times a week. Now let's talk about fruits and berries. Berries, apples, pears, and citrus fruits are not just delicious, but they're also rich in fiber and antioxidants. These nutrients can benefit your cholesterol levels and support your overall heart health. Try to enjoy these fruits 3 to 4 times a day. And we can't forget our leafy friends, vegetables. Broccoli, spinach, kale, Brussels sprouts, you name it. These veggies are low in calories and high in fiber. They're like little cholesterol-busting superheroes. So, aim to include 4 to 5 servings of these in your daily meals. Lastly, we have avocados. This creamy fruit is a good source of monounsaturated fat, which can help lower LDL cholesterol and raise HDL cholesterol, often referred to as the good cholesterol. Enjoy it on toast, in salads, or as a dip. Incorporating these fiber-rich foods into your diet can contribute significantly to maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. But remember, these foods are most effective when eaten as part of a balanced, overall healthy diet. So the next time you're planning your meals, why not consider adding in some of these fiber-rich foods? Not only will they add a delicious variety to your meals, but they'll also help keep your cholesterol in check. Remember, a fiber-rich diet can be your best defense against high cholesterol. Plant sterols are another powerful tool in our cholesterol-lowering arsenal. These naturally occurring compounds are found in a variety of foods, most notably in nuts, seeds, and soy foods. These small but mighty substances have a structure similar to cholesterol, which allows them to effectively block cholesterol absorption in the gut. Imagine them as little gatekeepers, standing guard and preventing too much cholesterol from entering your bloodstream. Now, this doesn't mean you should start eating handfuls of nuts and seeds at every meal. Like everything in life, moderation is key. But incorporating a serving of these plant sterol-rich foods into your daily diet can offer significant benefits. Soy foods in particular are a double whammy. They not only contain plant sterols, but also a group of compounds called isoflavones, which have been shown to lower LDL cholesterol. So why not try adding some tofu to your stir-fry or swapping cow's milk for soy milk in your morning coffee? Adding these plant sterol-rich foods to your diet can help keep your cholesterol in check. Scene script. Not all fats are bad. In fact, some fats can help lower your cholesterol. Let's talk about monounsaturated fats. These are the good fats, the ones your body loves. They can be found in foods like avocados and olive oil. Avocados, for instance, are not just delicious. They're also a powerhouse of monounsaturated fats. These fats can help lower your LDL, that's the bad cholesterol, and raise your HDL, the good cholesterol. Now, who wouldn't want that? Whether you enjoy it on toast, in a salad, or as a creamy guacamole dip, avocados are a great way to incorporate these healthy fats into your diet. Now let's talk about olive oil, specifically extra virgin olive oil. This golden liquid is not just a staple of the Mediterranean diet, it's also rich in monounsaturated fats. But that's not all. Olive oil is also packed with antioxidants, which can further benefit your cholesterol levels. So whether you're using it for cooking, as a salad dressing, or simply drizzling it over your vegetables, extra virgin olive oil is a fantastic way to infuse your meals with heart-healthy fats. But it's not just fats we're interested in here. We also want to highlight the cholesterol-lowering properties of antioxidants. And where better to find these antioxidants than in fruits and berries? Berries, apples, pears, and citrus fruits are not only delicious, but they're also rich in fiber and antioxidants. These components work together to benefit your cholesterol levels and overall heart health. And let's not forget about garlic and onions. These flavorful vegetables are a staple in many kitchens around the world. But did you know they contain sulfur compounds that may help lower your LDL cholesterol? So don't shy away from adding a little extra garlic or onion to your meals. Your heart will thank you. By incorporating these healthy fats and antioxidant-rich foods into your diet, you can take control of your cholesterol levels. Remember, food is not just about taste. It's also about nourishing your body and keeping it healthy.